Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are recording 2019 Audi A3 in the sedan or limousine version. This one is the second car from our 12 series, so if you like, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, write a comment, everything helps us. We will start with the interior of the car and then the test drive. Today we are not filming the exterior because it's very hot outside and also the car wasn't cleaned up. So starting with the interior, I like this car because it has some technology but not so much. Also it has a manual gearbox. I would like to have an automatic. The engine is the 2.0 TDI engine. We'll start from left to the right. The mirrors, the electric windows, some storage spaces here. Here is the lights panel. The dashboard, it's a simple one. We have the start stop, parking sensors, the AC panel. Here is the main console controls. Also some storage spaces on the passenger side, and here on the back we have enough space for maybe 2 passengers, I think. We'll start the car also because I have to show you all the options, but also because it's so hot. On the control panel we have the menu button. Here you can navigate through the car menu. You have some things like media, phone, car settings, but the car being a little old, you don't have so much options here. Also you can go back from this button. You have some shortcuts on this side. Also you can turn off the tablet. I recommend you when you are driving maybe on night and you don't want to have so much lights in the eyes, you can do this. The electric parking button and the auto hold button. For the people who don't know, the auto hold button is also like an parking button, but for you know, if you are driving and there are a lot of cars, you want to stop, you push the brake pedal and here you will see an A symbol here. That means the auto hold button is active. So when you see the A on the dashboard, you can left the brake and the car will still not going. It's like similar to the parking, but it's for short terms. All right, so that is the interior. It's a simple one. You don't have so much option in this car. I think it's a great daily because it combines the technology with the lack of it. You don't have so much sensors, you don't have so much troubles with the sensors like the speed limit. You don't go in the car and say, oh, I need to deactivate this and this and this. This car is a simple one. Only thing you can deactivate is the DSC, ASC if you want, or the start stop button. All right, we are setting the lights on the auto. Also we put our seat belt and we are doing the test drive now. Okay, so we are pushing the brake pedal and then we release the brake. This car, it's very great at driving. It feels a little like a limo, like it has some weight, but also it's sporty, so it's combined these two domains. Being the 2 liters engine, I think it's a little too aggressive for a beginner driver, but for an old one it's good. It's very comfortable to long drives. I don't recommend it so much for the cities, being also a diesel engine, but today we are going to the high-speed road. The steering wheel is very precise. you don't have dead angles. Everything you do with the steering wheel, it feels on the car. This is a new thing because for the new cars, from what I see, most of the new cars have dead angles, like you are moving the steering wheel, but the cars doesn't move so good. Alright, we don't have buttons on the steering wheel. Also, it's focused on the driving. I would like to have some options and maybe to set it, but it's not the case here. And yeah, it can be seen like a sporty car. It's not the hatchback version, it's the sedan one, the limo. That's how the Audi names it, and it has a lot of couple, so a lot of torque. I think it's the right word. We are driving in the third gear now. As you can see, we are at 2000 RPM, and we are going on a 60. Here is a red light, but it's green now. From what I see, it's good. It's a good car if you want to go on the curves. If you have good wheels on it, it's very maneuverable. Like, you can do whatever you want with it. Being an A3, also you don't have to have you don't need to have so much you know, to be a good car, because it's a cheap one at the end of the day, but it can do a lot of nice things for the price you are paying for it. We are driving low speed now because we have some traffic in the front of us. Also, the torque, it's feeling very good. Here on the back we have also an A6, I think, which is another category. I will also have some moments when I don't say nothing, because I want to be focused on the road and the traffic, and also you can enjoy the drive. Alright, so our GoPro turned off due to the heating, which is a bad news for me, because I spoke a lot, but now I have to record again. We are driving on the highway here. The limit is 100 kilometers, so we are not pushing it to the limit. The car feels sporty on that speed. Like, it has a lot of couple. If you want, you can pass the cars. That's not a big deal for it. I think it helps a lot because the car has a reduced weight, because it's an A3 and the 2-liter engine, it's enough big for it. We are going again on the first lane. Also, there's 1 gear left because the manual one has 6 gears. Now we are driving with the 5th one, and you can go maybe 100 kilometers just with the 4th gears. This car can go really quick and achieve high speeds for real. What I don't like for the A3, it's that you hear the wind outside, which is a little, I don't know how to say, like, you don't have expectation for this car, but maybe you expect to be silent and it's not. Of course, it's not a high-end trim on this one, it's just the basic one with some options, so maybe that's why. We are exiting here. Okay, the road it's not so good. We check the mirrors because you never know who comes from your back. Okay, here we're going with the fourth one, or maybe the third. Also, the dynamics are good. Like, it's a limo, but we don't feel the weight of a limo. The back feels so smooth, it follows the front. Of course, if you don't push the limit, but it feels good also on the cars. Okay, the third one again here. Okay, we are stopping. I feel so bad that the GoPro is hitting. I will search for some solutions for it. I don't know if it's a factory problem. I searched for it on Google, and most of the people say that GoPro aren't so good for what they are made. Because I bought this camera just for the test drives, and it doesn't do the work so good in my opinion, because it's always hitting even with a lot of options turned off. So yeah, I feel like it was a bad deal for me to buy that GoPro. Okay, we are going easy here because you don't know if the others are looking at you or not, and the prevention is always the best choice. Like, maybe to prevent some things than trying to fix it. Okay, so the car is going 120 with the 5th gears. I don't want to try the 6th one because it's not my car, and it's good. It feels so good. It go well. It have a lot of torque, and it feels like it have enough resources to do more and more and more. All right. Also, I like the mirror here, that you see the wall back window, which is a rare thing on the new cars. The new cars focus more on the camera, on the back camera, and you don't see so much when you are driving. You just see when you are in reverse, you see the camera here, and that's all. So it seems like it's a driving oriented cars, with the lack of the buttons here, with the manual gearbox. I like it. I like it. It's a good cruiser in my opinion. You can go to the long distances and it's comfortable enough. Maybe I would like to have the climatronic system. Okay, that was on car alert. Maybe with the climatronic, it's perfect if you have. Alright, so that's all for today. If you like the video, try to comment, try to like. I appreciate it because the channel is at the beginning, and everything helps the channel for the moment, so don't forget to do this for me. Bye bye and see you soon.